What is that again, Francie?
Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, one laugh.
Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, one love. What are you doing now?
Clue.
Are you fixing the TV?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's the other one?
Here's two more.
Oh, yes. That was the other one.
That's it. You've done a good job, Francie.
Maybe it's gonna work. Open the TV.
Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. My name is Van Puchert, and this is Finding Frequency. Milestone time. So today I got to teach my son how to unscrew screws. I mean, he's always been dabbling, but this time I could teach him about lefty-loosey, because if you turn left, or what is this, on anti-clockwise, I'm getting confused. I just remember lefty-loosey is lefty is to unscrew and righty is to screw back to tighten, because when you work on motorcycles and do repairs and handiwork and whatever, you need to remember how to unscrew a screw, which direction. Funny enough, between you and me, it also works for a pasta machine, but don't tell anybody. So lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Yes, France and I tried to rescue our ailing television. The television is busy dying. Our little LCD old machine. I mean, it's. I think it's gone past its heyday now, and it's definitely not working as well as it should be. It takes us about 15 minutes to try and switch this thing on. And as much as it pains me, I think we're probably going to have to start thinking about buying a new television. It's painful for Marta and myself because we don't watch that much television anymore. I think most of things that are being displayed on the screen is related to little puppies, dogs, cartoons, all kinds of things that a little 4-year-old enjoys. So Marta and I are more stuck to our computer screens than anything else when we can. And also we're looking into renovating Francie's room because it's due. It's not been entirely a success from the get-go. And also the fact that he's not really living in his own room at the moment. Little terrorist. It's also an indication that we need to start doing something about it. So I think in the next month or so, Marta's going to be on a mission. I'm probably going to have to help with some of the disassembly. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, don't forget. So we'll see what happens with that. You'll probably get some updates from that. And if our relationship survives this renovation, maybe a photo. So yeah, that's going to happen. Last update, one thing I need to say, and I'm trying to keep chipper, but I must say I'm not feeling very chipper because the weather is horrible here in Poland. And I'm saying Poland because Marta showed me a map of Poland today with the weather kind of drawn over it. And the whole of the country is like under one big-ass gray cloud. And I must say, I'm starting to feel it. It's like low hanging. They always described it to me in South Africa like this kind of dark grayness, like depressing grayness in Europe. I think it's worse in the UK because I remember all of my South African mates who used to go work in the UK for a couple of years. They always come back because they want to get sunlight back. And this low hanging cloud. I must say in Poland, it's only a winter thing. It's not year round, but it's really now in January. It's bad. I haven't seen the sun for weeks, and it's getting to me. So sucking down vitamin D supplements to keep some the mood up. But yeah, it's feeling depressing. Where's the sunlight, people? Where's the sunlight? So I'm hoping, I read somewhere, arguably I read this on Facebook, but I think it was posted by a knowledgeable person, that January is usually the coldest time in Poland. So let's see if I can survive the next couple of weeks, if the sun's going to start cracking through at some stage. I just need it, man. Bring me some sunlight. Okay, and I will stop complaining now because I have to go and make some coffee. That will cheer me up. It always does. And let me not stand in your way. Go pour something nice for yourself. Even if it's a cocktail. Hey, it's the 2nd of January. Let's keep things real. Thanks for listening.